Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and find additional settings. Now let's scroll down and enter developer options. If you cannot find the developer options, no worries, we've got the tutorial about it, so we will explain to you how to turn them on. So just find it, check it, and then let's get back to this video. So if we are in the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to the demo mode option. Right now it is obviously turned off, so just tap on it in order to turn it on. And as you can see here, we've got also the information that when the demo mode is on, the clock is on the status the clock in the status bar will stop, battery and signal icons will be displayed as full, and so on and so on. So just tap on turn on if you are at the end. As you can see, we've got the exact changes on the status bar. So we've got the full battery icon, full connection icon, and so on and so on. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on it, and as you can see, it just got back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to enable demo mode in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.